how to express opinions in Spanish in a very easy way without conjugation, without complications. Today we are going to learn to do that. We have here the title and a very familiar list of common verbs, daily verbs, verbs that we are using every single day. Are you ready to start? Let's start right now. So the first way or structure we are going to use at this moment to express opinions is this one. Es importante plus any verb of any action. We have a very familiar list here. Caminar, trabajar, and other verbs here. So what if we make the first example right now? Let's make one example, one sentence. So, es importante is important what? To do what? Es importante caminar, for example, caminar. Es importante caminar. It's important to walk. Es importante caminar. But what if you want to express this in negative? If you want to disagree me, if you want to disagree someone, how would you say that in negative? So it's very easy. We only need to add something. For example, no, no. Es importante caminar. For example, you say es importante caminar, and I can say in negative, no, no es importante caminar. Possibly I don't want to do exercise, but anyway, we have here two sentences, affirmative and negative. So that's brilliant. Let's make another example. What if we want to say in Spanish, it's important to travel? How would you say it in Spanish? Es importante viajar. Es importante viajar. Es importante viajar. How would you say it in negative? No es importante viajar. So I can say es importante viajar, and you can say no, no es importante viajar. So we have two sentences, affirmative and negative. That's excellent. So let's advance with the next way how we can express opinions. The next structure in Spanish to express opinions is es bueno plus any verb. Let's make one sentence together. How would we say in Spanish, it's good to speak Spanish? It's good to speak Spanish. Let's do it. Es bueno hablar español. Es bueno hablar español. It's good to speak Spanish. If you want to express it in negative, you only need to add no. No es bueno hablar español. is your opinion? No es bueno hablar español. So let's make one more sentence. For example, what if you want to say it's good to sleep enough? For example, es bueno to sleep, dormir. Dormir, enough, enough. Suficiente, suficiente. Es bueno dormir suficiente. It's good to sleep enough. Excellent. The next structure or way to express opinions is es fácil plus any verb. It's easy to do something. Let's make one sentence. It's easy to do what? For example, cocinar, to cook. It's easy, es fácil. Cocinar, es fácil cocinar. But possibly you are saying that, es fácil cocinar. But possibly I cannot cook and it's a little difficult for me. How would I say that it's not easy to cook? So I would say it like this. No es fácil cocinar. Great. You say es fácil cocinar, but I say no, it's not easy. No es fácil cocinar. That's perfect. Okay, es fácil to do what? What else? Manejar. What about manejar? To drive. So let's make the sentence. It's easy to drive. If you can drive, how would you say? How would you say it in Spanish? Es fácil manejar. Es fácil manejar. But I can say it's not easy to drive. No es fácil manejar. I will say no, no es fácil manejar. No es fácil manejar. No es fácil manejar. Excellent. Let's continue with the next expression or structure to express opinions. The next way how we can express opinions is es necesario plus any verb. So let's make the first example and let's take the first verb here. What if we want to express that it's necessary to travel? How would you say it? Okay. Es necesario viajar. If I want to visit other places, new places, es necesario viajar. But what if you don't agree with my opinion? Possibly you want to say it's not necessary to travel. How would you say it in Spanish? No es necesario. No es necesario viajar. No es necesario viajar. Perfect. We are advancing and the next structure is Es malo plus any verb. It's bad to do something. Let's make the first example. What if we want to express that it's bad to sleep a lot? Let's do it. Okay, we are changing. Es malo, es malo. Uh, Dormir, es malo dormir mucho. Es malo dormir mucho. I bet you can understand what I wrote. Es malo dormir mucho. It's bad to sleep a lot. But what if you want to say the opposite? You can say no es malo dormir mucho. No es malo dormir mucho. It's your opinion. So let's make another example. Let's make another example with this structure. What if you want to say that it's bad to drink alcohol? For example, es malo beber alcohol. It's bad to drink alcohol. That's perfect. But what if you want to say the opposite? You only need to add no at the beginning of the sentence. No es malo beber alcohol. It's not bad to drink alcohol. And that's it, amigos. That was the lesson for today. How to express opinions in Spanish. If you enjoyed the class, like the videos, and you can also share the video with someone that you know is learning Spanish. You can also send me your comments, your feedbacks, your complaints, and that's it. So for the moment, I can tell you, hasta luego.